I mean, I didn't know it was bad until my teeth grew in. All right, so I gotta tell you this like crazy story. It's kind of personal though. I grew up in Saskatchewan. In my community, we had fluoridated water. I mean, it was like so bad, you could almost I feel like you could almost taste it in the water fountain at school. You know, there were very, very few people that knew at that point in time, you know, the risks of being overexposed to fluoride in our water supply. So, I mean, let me just tell you about me. So I had fluoride in my water. We had our own garden, so we were watering all of our food with fluoridated water as well. Above and beyond all of that, I went to the dentist and I had fluoride treatments there. But above and beyond all that, I thought toothpaste tasted really good. So I would sneak it. I would go into the bathroom and open up the tube of toothpaste, and I'd take a little dab on my finger and I would eat it because I thought it tasted good. And no one was telling me anything otherwise. Actually, I do remember someone saying if you eat a whole tube of toothpaste, you'll die, which was actually true. That's actually true. But one little bit at a time, I mean, I didn't know it was bad until my teeth grew in. My permanent teeth, they're covered in spots. I have a couple brown spots, a bunch of white spots, and I mean, this is what we call fluorosis. And that's just a really, it's an obvious sign that we've been overexposed to fluoride as we were growing up. But I mean, fluorosis exists not just in your teeth, but it's also in your bones, right? And so I'm just telling this story so that everyone, is always conscious. There's always debates about, fluoride in the public water supply and that kind of thing. So I just want to share my story that I was affected by being overexposed to fluoride, and encourage everyone to minimize their exposure to fluoride.